Guess who's back? Hey guys, how you doing? It's been a while, huh? Let me see, what have I been up to in all that time? Well, I went on a vacation for like a month to Curacao, give me some sun. Also, I came back, work got busier. Oh yeah, I do have another job next to Cosito's kitchen. Gotta pay the bills. The C word got crazier and worse. I'm also looking for another house, for a new house actually. Anyway, a bunch of stuffs. But it's Valentine's Day and I couldn't leave you guys out to dry. So today I have a very special recipe for you guys. Oh, happy Valentine's Day, lovebirds. So this recipe is a flourless chocolate cake, which actually just looks like a regular brownie to me. Anyway, you wanna know how I did it? Wait.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
I also got a Easter egg in this episode for you guys. If you catch it, comment below and let me know what it was. I'm Cosito. Let's go! For the ingredients, there are only a few needed, starting with 150 milliliters of cream, 100 grams of chocolate chips, 170 grams of chocolate. Use whatever chocolate is pleasing to you. Mine is just regular milk chocolate. You'll also need 75 grams of cacao powder, 1 espresso powder for instant espresso, 200 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, and a bunch of raspberries. You can also substitute these for strawberries. And lastly, 115 grams of butter. Whew! That's all, folks. Come on, let's cook. Fill a pan till half with water and bring it to a boil. Then continue to place a bowl that can withstand heat on top. This technique is mostly used to temper chocolate. It's a quite difficult technique, might I add, but I'm just here to melt some chocolate. Pour in the chocolate of your preference with the butter. Let it sit for about 30 seconds. Then with a whisk, slowly start moving them around. The chocolate will soften up first. The butter will take a while though. But just continue whisking it till all the butter has melted. As it has reached this consistency, you can take it off the stove and set it aside. Furthermore, from the boiling water, pour over 59 milliliters in a cup to make your instant espresso. Next, to the melted chocolate, add the sugar and the espresso. At that point, just continue to whisk till you're left with a consistency just like this. Secondly, add the 4 eggs to the mixture, then whisk them in. As you continue to whisk, you'll realize that the mixture will toughen up. Be sure to check out the description for all the ingredients. Now while you're at it, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and also ring that bell icon to get notified when new videos are out. This helps out the channel a lot. Lastly, we'll add the 75 grams of cacao powder. Be careful with this stuff though. When you start mixing, it can splatter all over the place. If you haven't caused a complete mess in your house, it'll come out looking like this. The next step is to butter your tray such that your cake does not stick. You can also just use baking spray, but buttering with your hand is much more fun, and by that it's optional, but highly recommended. Lastly, pour in the cake mix and try to cover the whole tray. Be sure that your tray is taller than the mix, cause this cake, as the Dark Knight, will rise. Then place a flourless chocolate cake in a 175 degrees preheated oven for 35 minutes. We're almost done, but not there yet. So while the cake is in the oven and about to finish, we're gonna start on the ganache topping. Pour the cream in a pan and bring it to a simmer. Remember to take this process slowly, as the deal is to absolutely not burn the cream. As it almost reached the boiling point, add it to the bowl with the chocolate chips in it and let it sit for 30 seconds. Then start whisking to mix them. At this point, we can take the cake out of the oven and it'll look just like this.
And then I start to smell them, so it's like a smell like tastes like other.
Then quickly pour over the ganache on top of the cake. And yes, I do have ganache on my arm. Finally, spread the ganache around to cover the cake. And then continue to place the raspberries on top. If you have done your best, it'll probably come out looking just like this. Isn't this just a beauty? Come on, let's taste.
Then I start to taste them. I say,
It's crazy how it tastes like a chocolate cake, but also as a brownie at the same time. With some raspberries, this flourless cake is all by all Yum! You see that? A chocolate cake that looks like a brownie but tastes better than both those things? And also with some raspberries? I call that a win. Did you catch the Easter egg in the video? Comment below. And also, like this video if you have enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care, guys. Peace.